If you're considering switching to CoConstruct from your current software, you're probably looking for something more efficient, user-friendly, and designed specifically for the construction industry. In this video, we'll go through exactly why CoConstruct should be your next move. Stick around till the end to find out how you can get access to this software completely free, with exclusive bonuses just for watching. Now, let's dive in. First off, CoConstruct is designed with the contractor in mind. Unlike other software that tries to fit every industry, CoConstruct is built specifically for the unique challenges in construction management. Whether it's handling bids, change orders, or just staying organized with your team, CoConstruct offers tailored features that directly address these needs. Next thing, the collaboration between your team and clients. CoConstruct simplifies communication, keeping all your conversations, project updates, and documents in one place. Your clients can easily access progress, approve change orders, and communicate directly through the platform. This reduces the back and forth with emails or calls, keeping everything streamlined and organized. The third thing is the integration of estimating and project management. With CoConstruct, you can create accurate estimates quickly and track budgets in real time. This means fewer errors, more precise financial tracking, and no surprises at the end of the project. Plus, you can easily adjust as things change, making sure you stay on top of costs and timelines. Next up, CoConstruct gives you complete control over your projects from start to finish. Its mobile app lets you and your team access everything on the go. Whether you're at the job site or in the office, the app makes it easy to stay updated on project progress, communicate with your team, and keep your work moving forward without any delays. The fifth thing is its seamless invoicing system. CoConstruct allows you to generate invoices based on real-time project data, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring your clients are billed accurately. You can set up automatic reminders, track payments, and keep all financials neatly organized. Moving on, CoConstruct's reporting features are top-notch. You'll get detailed reports on budgets, timelines, and other key project data. These insights help you make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the competition. With everything in one place, you can track your company's performance and adjust as needed. Lastly, CoConstruct has an incredible support system. Whether you need help navigating the platform or have technical questions, their team is always ready to assist. Plus, their extensive training resources make onboarding new users a breeze. So, why should you switch to CoConstruct from your current software? If you want a solution that is specifically tailored to construction management, simplifies communication, tracks budgets in real time, and gives you full control of your projects, then CoConstruct is the way to go. Now, as promised, you can get CoConstruct for completely free through the first link in the description below. This exclusive offer includes an extended free trial and some bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the link now. Thanks for watching and happy building.